Hey guys, I found this beautiful car here sitting on the lot. It is the new 2014 Toyota Corolla. Looks very unique and stylish. I have the key here with me. Let's open it up and take it on a short drive to find a spot so I can park it to do the review. At the same time, let you guys see how it's like sitting in the driver's seat. As you might already notice, the S model looks a little different than the other Corolla models. Alright, let's hop into the driver's seat, start it up, and take it out for a short drive. Now with the S model, you also get a sportier interior, including the little wrapped steering wheel and a 6.1 color touchscreen display, as well as many other features. And on the exterior of the S model, you get things like a unique piano black front grille, a unique black wheels, integrated rear spoiler, integrated fog light, and a chrome tip exhaust. And those are the key features of the Corolla S model. The Toyota Corolla is a line of compact cars manufactured by Toyota, introduced back in 1966, and has managed to become one of the best-selling cars worldwide by 1974, and is one of the best-selling cars in the world since then. This year, you will notice that the Toyota Corolla is fully redesigned from head to toe, brand new front end, rear end, as well as the side. It is fully redesigned inside out, and no doubt it will be one of the most significant new Toyota for the year 2014. The 2014 model marks the 11th generation of Corollas. The new Toyota Corolla offers a more aggressive looking exterior and is longer, wider, and lower than the previous model. Most importantly, it will surprise a lot of its fans like how it surprised me the first time I saw it. It is absolutely the best looking Corolla to date so far, with many unexpected features for its class. Up front, you see the unique and stylish LED low beam headlamps with halogen high beam, as well as LED daytime running lights. Turn signal lights and cornering lights are also integrated into the headlamps. At the bottom is the pair of integrated fog lamps. There is the unique piano black front grille with chrome accenting trims and the huge air intakes at the bottom. Here is a closer look at the grille. It is absolutely one of the most aggressive Corolla I have ever seen. The S model comes standard with the 17-inch double-spoke black alloy wheels with two 1545 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the power-assisted 10.8 ventilated front disc brake and a silver brake caliper that's designed particularly for the S model. Body color side view mirror with integrated turn signal light. And here's a look of the roof. Rear wheels are also 17 inches with 10.2-inch rear brake disc, as well as the brake caliper painted in silver. It also features anti-lock braking system, brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, as well as stall safety system. To the back, you see the very unique tail lamps with integrated brake light as well as turn signal light. There is the rear deck spoiler, which comes as a standard on the S model. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that have an effect of a carbon fiber look to it, and the round chrome tip exhaust. There's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse and help with a much easier backup. Here is a closer look at the rear spoiler. And the third LED brake light. Right here on the remote, I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic buttons. Toyota logo on the back. Let's open it up and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as black sandpaper, featuring black leather seats with saddle fabric insert in the middle, black on the dash as well as the door panel, with aluminum accenting trims throughout the car. Alright, now let's hop into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. Right, just insert the key into the key ignition and turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2014 Corolla S have to offer. Under the hood is a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with continuously variable transmission with intelligence and shift mode with paddle shifter, 16 valve with variable valve timing with intelligence, front wheel drive with normal and sport driving mode, pushing out 132 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 8.5 seconds. Top speed is estimated to be at 130 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 29 city, 37 highway, and 32 combined. Very impressive mile per gallon rating. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with aluminum accenting trims right there. Driver windows are fully automatic. And there's the lock and unlock buttons. Down here you have the cup holder and a storage compartment. There's the pedals. Floor mat with Corolla lettering on it. And here's a closer look at the seat. It is leather with saddle brown insert in the middle. Looks very sporty. Both front seats are heavily bolstered, and its sport fabric inserts only comes with the Corolla S model. Driver's seats feature 6-way manual adjustable seat and 4-way manual adjustable for front passenger seat with seat back pocket. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with silver aluminum accents in the middle, featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience with control for audio, multi-information display, Bluetooth hand-free phone, voice command, as well as the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel is the set of up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And here's the windshield wiper controlled. Over here you have the light controlled, as well as the turn signal light controlled. And here's the look to the gauge with 3-inch TFT screen. Over here you have the driver's side air vent. Beautiful aluminum trims and dark wood trims. Here you have the side view mirror controlled and the instrument light controlled. Here's a look to the dash. Dash look really nice. Beautiful accenting trims again with aluminum trims. This model features Entune audio system, which include the Entune 11 multimedia bundle that comes with the 6.1-inch touchscreen display, AM/FM CD player, 6 speakers, auxiliary audio jack, a USB port with iPod connectivity and control, advanced voice recognition, hand-free phone capability, phone book access, and music streaming via Bluetooth wireless technology. Down here you have the climate controlled 12-volt power outlet, USB and auxiliary input, and the little storage compartment. Here's the gearbox. It is wrapped in black leather with aluminum accenting trim on top. Just pull down for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will activate on the multimedia screen. And pull down again for drive. And pull over to the left for manual. And that's when you can use the paddle shifter for a more aggressive ride. Very easy to use. Alright, here you have the traction control off, sport mode. Here's the handbrake, 2-cup holder for driver and passenger, and here's the center storage compartment. Alright, there you have another storage compartment for smaller items. Glove box compartment. Here is another look at the passenger seat. Looks very sporty. Okay, on top you have the light controlled. Sun visor mirror. Alright, now let's check out the rear seat. Rear seats offer seating for 3, and it does offer folded option. You can fold the rear seats in 60 or 40 split to get additional cargo space. And here's the rear driver's side door. Alright, let's jump into the seats and see how it feels in the back. But first, let me show you the front cabins. It is very spacious in the back and does offer plenty of leg rooms as well. Two-cup holder. Let me show you how much leg rooms I have left. I'm 5'8", and that is how much leg room I have left. So for a taller individual, you also be really comfortable in the back as well. There you have the rear seats pocket on the passenger side, and the light control for the back. Alright, let's pop out the trunk and the gas cap. Gas cap is located on the driver's side and holds approximately 13.2 gallons of fuel. It does not require premium fuel, so any unleaded fuel will be fine. Now let's take a look at the trunk. The trunk offers a 13 cubic feet of cargo space, which is pretty decent for its class. But remember, you can always fold down the rear seats to get extra cargo space. Down here you have your spare tires and your tool. Just pull that knob right there to fold down the rear seat. And there's one on this seat here. Once again, the rear seats offer plenty of leg rooms. Mostly any size the door will be really comfortable in the back. However, the sport seats in the Corolla S model are firmer than the regular model, but does offer more support with heavily bolstered side supports. Overall, the new 2014 Toyota Corolla is nothing like the previous generations. It offers many features that you wouldn't expect it to have. It looks gorgeous from the exterior and continues onto the interior. Alright, the front passenger seat feel really comfortable and offer plenty of leg rooms as well. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the all-new 2014 Toyota Corolla S model. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.